Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the topic is that how to improve our English from basic level to high level. So friend, this is a very high recommended question asked by every English learner. How to improve our English, how to learn, how to start our English from basic to high. So this is a very common topic. So friends, here we are going to discuss this topic, but before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, please watch the video right till the end, because this video is going to very helpful, believe me, very helpful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to the people who are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So friends, here we discuss how to improve our English from basic level to high level. So first of all, I would like to say you first, we have to recognize what to do. We have to observe what to do to improve our English and what not to do, and what to take care of the things, take care of the steps which we have not to do. Okay, you can start English from the basic. The most important suggestion before start I will give you that don't go to the exam related books, okay, such as bank, SSC, railways, bank PO, because only this book will cover some tough English and you will not understand. What will happen? You will feel, oh my god, this thing is so difficult, this is not for me, I will not learn this. Okay, you will feel. So when you are going to start your journey, you will learn, you will read a simple easy books. Okay, so don't do this in your starting. First, make your basics strong, make your foundation strong. Only when you will able to climb the ladders. Which kind of ladders? The success ladder. Okay, so you will start your journey, you should start your journey from the simple and easy way. Okay friends, to create a foundation we need to take care of few things. Okay, so basically there are 4 things. So you can see this. You have to concentrate only 4 section. Okay, first is grammar, second is vocabulary, third is reading, and the last one is listening. Okay, so now you will ask what to study in grammar. So you can study, you need to take care of some basic things, some basic portion of grammar, such as sentence, kind of sentences, phrases, clauses, subject, verb, object. So if you find these things, your grammar, first you complete, first you make strong your basic in English. Okay, so if you learn some tenses, some sentences, the kind of sentences, some clause, some phrases, some, you know what is the subject, verb and object, then you will able to speak English in a primary level. So first you need to make strong your basic. Okay, this all things will make you understand the structure of the language. Okay, so if you focus all these, your basic in grammar will be strong. What we usually do, we straight away from the some hi-fi books, straight away from the some hi-fi novels. You don't need to go first in hi-fi books and novels. You need to start your journey from the simple books, simple grammar rules. You not need to know everything in grammar. No, you need to some sentences, some phrases, some clauses, some types of sentences. Only this will help you very much. Okay, after sometimes when you are going good in English, then other things is automatically comes to you. So first you start to make your basic strong. Okay, your foundation is strong. If you will make your basic your you if you will make your foundation strong, then you will be able to do something in English, something speak in English. You know the how the structure of in English, so it is very helpful for you. Now we will go to the second option. The second option is that reading. Okay, reading skill is very important. You can read any type of books. You can read story books, you can read e-books, you can read polity books. So there are many options to reading, because reading habit is improves your vocabulary strong. Reading habits gives you improves your sentence structure is strong. So reading habit is very good. So you can read any type of story books, because story books will create your interest. Okay, then what is done in after. So this is very good story books. There here I will give you some links of story books. So friends, you will read English in some story books, some comics. And if you want to know some, if you interested in others biography, then you can learn Rabindranath Tagore books. Okay, Bhagat Singh books. So it is depend on your interest. So you reading habit is very good. And if you think that you have not any money, you think that purchasing books is very costly for you, so then you can go to the learn read in ebooks. Okay, ebooks in on online. So here I'm going to give you how to find these ebooks in Google. Okay, first you log in the Google and try to find this. Okay, let me show you. See, click on the first option. You find so many stories which is related to social, moral, love, romance, whichever you like. Okay friends, there are so many books, okay, which is related to your interest. If you like any kinds of books, you can read it. Okay, now we go to the polity books. Politics books, if you want to read some types of English newspaper, so first you will go to the read polity books. Okay, first you read the polity, and then after that you read the newspaper. It will help you to increase your vocabulary, and it will help you to understand the situation, what happened in the world. So it is very helpful for you, the polity books. Okay, now we go to the basic vocabulary. Okay, so first you may go to the Google and search highest frequently used word, and when you search that, then there are so many list of frequently words. Okay, for your information, these are more than 1 lakh words. So how many words you can learn? Okay, so first you used to learn frequently used word. This will help you very much. Okay, because when अगर आप जाओगे ढेर सारे शब्दों को ही आप इसमें डिक्शनरी से ढूंढने में लग जाओगे, अपने आप एनर्जी वहीं पे लगा लोगे. नहीं, आपको फोकस करना फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज्ड वर्ड पे. Okay, so you can find in Google, search the Google how frequently used words. So then Google will provide you the list of frequently used word. Okay, so you can find those words in Google and learn these words. So, and the next you can learn the words from the English books. Okay, the English book which is related to our is school related books. Okay, so you can use the book class 5th to class 10th. Okay, and if you want to give any exam in a government exam, then these words will very much help you. Okay, so you can buy or purchase school book, school English book. Okay, and if you think that purchasing and buying the books is very costly, then you can go to the Google and find the books of English class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So there are many options. But if you have if you have a passion to learn this language, then you can find it everything in find in Google. So friends, So friends, we come to the next option. The next option is that listening. Okay, this is a very important, very important. So how can you learn your mother tongue? Okay, you learn your English by listening. Okay, so listening is very important. And in listening section, you can listen any type of podcast. So there I will give you some many podcast links, some many podcast app. So I will give you Beer Biceps app and Ghana app. Okay, this app will help you a lot. Okay, and पॉडकास्ट में क्या होता है, दो व्यक्ति कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं इंग्लिश में एक दूसरे को, तो केवल आपको सुनना करता है कि हाउ टू कन्वर्सेशन एंड बिटवीन. ओके, सो इट हेल्प्स यू वेरी मच. सो इन दिस वीडियो वॉट एवर आई हैव टू टोल्ड यू, यू नीड टू फॉलो ऑल दिस. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like this video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, please do subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed it. And friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.